How's it going, guys? We are currently on our way to the auto parts store to pick up a wheel bearing for the Evo because it is making noise. I mean, why else would you change a wheel bearing? Ever since I put my new tires on, it's been making more noise, so I'm figuring since it's a stiffer wall height, it's gonna project the vibrations more. So we're on our way to pick one up, and hopefully this is gonna be a smooth install. All right, thousands of dollars later, this bearing has been acquired. What the heck is that? This doesn't look like the front. All right, they gave me the rear and I need the front. So just went ahead and returned that, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow to pick up what is hopefully gonna be the front. So I guess I will be picking this video back up tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. All right, day 2 up in this. We are currently on our way to the parts store again to see if they have the correct part this time. Hopefully they give me the front and not the rear again. That would be nice. And yeah, good thing I checked last time. All right, so this is the correct bearing. You can clearly see how the shaft part over here, where my thumb is nowhere near as long as it was on the rear one. And it doesn't have the ABS sensor, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this bolt and then one back here. It'll allow us to disconnect the caliper carrier bolts here and here. Take off the caliper on the ground. Okay. A nice piece right here. Look at that. All right, now that we can see things a bit better, I'm gonna start off with these 2 bolts because these are the hardest to get to. This one, and then we're gonna turn the wheel around to the other side. But actually, what we're really gonna start with is the speed sensor. This right in here. That's gonna break off and potentially ruin my day. Oh, that was such the right decision to do. That was such a good decision to do. Oh my God. Oh my God. PB Blaster is literal magic. Oh my God. Look at that. I put some in there, worked it back and forth. Literal magic. Now this is gonna ruin my day. Now on here, I might as well just
I wouldn't worry about spraying those bolts.
The order of these, from hardest to easiest, is this one, and then this one, and then these 2. So we'll start with those 2. That's... That's fun. Alright, so we just tapped this hole with a M6x1. Now we're gonna drill out the sensor because we broke the sensor. And clean that puppy out, wait for a new sensor. User error. It's loose too because of all the PB blaster I put on it yesterday. Okay, that's about ready for some walkie.
Just zip it up.
That's about ready for some walkie as well. After 4 hours. Finding.
I think yeah. You're gonna have
This is a bicep curl. Oh. Perfect. No. Yes, but there's 2 rows of them. That's how it's supposed to go. I'm a mechanic. Oh, the center bore is the same. Nice.